Hello, it's Jackie Green from GA Interior Solutions, where we are helping build a stronger design community through professional training and educational resources. Today I have a quick tutorial on how to use SketchUp's axes to model. When we first open up SketchUp, we see three colored lines. These are the SketchUp axes. The red represents the horizontal plane, the green is the depth, and the blue is the vertical. We always want to draw on these axes as it helps us determine where we are in the 3D model space. When you first begin to use SketchUp, it is incredibly easy to become disoriented. These axes will help you. We're going to start by drawing a line. We're going to use our line tool and we will start to draw along horizontally using the red. Notice as I move my cursor around, it turns from red to black and black to red. So I know I'm drawing along that axis when it's red, and if I were to move this way, I know I'm drawing along the green because it's green. Now I can lock these in, so let's draw along the red, but to lock them in, I would use my right arrow key on my keyboard to lock along the red arrow, click, and then if I want to go along the green, I just hit the left arrow button and I can draw along the green. I can continue back, and I'm going to go ahead and hit red again so that I can use this axis. Notice that it feels like I'm off, but I'll show you in just a second that I'm actually not, but it looks kind of wonky, doesn't it? When I go ahead and finish up on the green, I orbit around here, you can see that I have a perfectly normal rectangle. Okay, let's do another one. So if I have my line tool, L is a shortcut, I go along my red, and this time I want to go up. I can lock in my blue axis, my vertical, by hitting my up arrow. Go ahead and hit that. Move over the red again. This time I can go ahead and use my other line as my inference. Go, and it still looks funny, but you can see I've now drawn a vertical. Okay, I want to show you one more thing. I want to show you how to move along your axis as well. This really helps us keep our orientation when we use our axis. So to move, I'm going to select my chair. I'm going to hit the move command, which is M, and then I can select the chair and start moving him along my red, and I can lock him in with using my red arrow. So I get over here where I want, I can click, I'm going to hit spacebar to get out of the command, and then I can see that I have now moved my chair successfully into the middle of this table. Now he's a little close for comfort, so I'm going to go ahead and move him back. If I hit M again, I can select the leg here and I can start to move. This time I'm going to lock it on the green and move back, and so I know I'm moving correctly. Spacebar, and here we go. I have now moved my chair and he's oriented correctly with my table. And that's how you use the axis to model in SketchUp. I hope you found this free tutorial helpful. If you would like to receive more SketchUp tutorials or other training tips, feel free to sign up at gainteriorsolutions.com/SketchUp.